Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and when I saw this bag by Tommy Hilfiger, I was shocked in the best way. I knew right away that I had to get this bag, and I just feel like this bag is absolutely beautiful because I feel that it perfectly combines simplicity and versatility. So on one side, I feel like it really executes simplicity perfectly because it just has three colors. However, these three colors are presented in a way that looks so harmonious that it just provides this overall wonderful result in this Tommy Hilfiger bag. So on the sides, we have red. On the front, on the bottom, and on the back, we have navy blue. And these two colors are perfectly separated by white. And also we have the Tommy Hilfiger logo right here on the front, which adds that special touch to the entire bag. I also feel like this bag perfectly executes versatility because you can wear this bag with so many outfits and it will literally make your outfits stand out. And that is the reason why I really, really love adding this Tommy Hilfiger bag to my outfits. And that is my point of view.